Hello and welcome back to the channel and another little flipper salvage project. And today's one is a little Fiesta. So I'm not going to talk too much about it right now. I want to dive in and get this thing off the truck. And we are in the field because, as usual, if we have suspension damage, it's got to be fixed before it comes off. So that's what today's plan is. We'll have a quick little look around it and then we're going to crack on and try and sort it out, get it off, and then we'll have a proper look around it. And go into detail about it a little bit more. So yes, this is the little, just a little Fiesta Edge. Not much damage on it, but it was cheap, which is mainly the reason why I got it. We'll talk about figures though on another day. Slight passenger front damage. It has fired the bags, and it has got a bit of suspension damage, which, like I said, we're going to be focusing on today. And I have got myself a cameraman. There he is. He's going to be holding the camera, so we're going to try and do this a little bit different and actually just do it all in one take, no time lapse. So it should be pretty quick. It's literally just a strut change. The strut has completely separated from the hub and sheared off. So all we're going to do is whip the wheel off, swap out the strut for a complete unit I've got from a scrappers. I know there's a bit of surface rust, but there's nothing wrong with it. So it should be a nice, easy, quick, straight swap, and it should then be able to mean we can get the car off the recovery truck, which is today's aim. So I'm just going to crack on with it. Nick's going to try to record it and hold the camera because he's a bit camera shy. And that's going to be it really. So we'll crack on, we'll get it changed out, and then we'll have a look around it. So I'm going to pass you over now to my handy cameraman. Right, we've got the strut out completely. This connected the drop link, and which there it is. That's it. So we're going to swap that out now for this one. We have checked the bottom cup is exactly the same, old to new, so it should be just a straightforward in and bolt up job. So I'll do it off camera now. You've seen me take this one out. It's exactly the same, just the other way around, and we'll cut back in when it's back on and the wheels on, I think, and then we can get it off. Right, there we go. So I've got all the bottom built up, and in that time Nick's been fighting with 3 nuts up there, which he's still doing now.
This is one at the back.
But you know, it's free labour, so I can't really complain. So we're all done, ready to drop it off and see what happens really. But this is all spawn now. All happy with that. So I had the wheel under as well. Anyone that wants to moan about axle stand. So we're ready. I'll just give Nick another few minutes to finish them nuts off, and we'll get it off and have a look round it, and should be a run and drive. So there we go. So the damage, yeah, it's plainly obvious, isn't it? It's this corner. It's had a bit of perhaps a tap diagonally there, you know. So, but I can't see it's got any chassis leg damage because this side's not pushed over. But until we pull it apart and have a proper look, I suppose we're not going to know for definite. It's bent those hinges over well. But other than that, it's quite a clean car. It's quite a low mileage car as well, 51,668. You can see that. Yeah, airbag damage. But you know, this airbag kits aren't expensive. I think I've had a price for one. I think it was 200 quid for the whole kit, so it's not a lot of money for the belts, all the airbag kit. Just the one key. I think it's a Fiesta Edge, so are they 1 point something? Well, it's a petrol. 1.4, 1.2, I don't know. I'll have to look into that. But yeah, it looks clean enough in general, the bodywork wise. Looks like it's been quite well looked after. All tyres are really good. Couple of little marks on the bumper on the back. A bit there. There's a little couple of scuffs, but they'll polish out. That'll polish out, but that just needs a bit of touch up. Other than them few on the back, I haven't managed to find anything else. So should be a relatively easy and quick fix and flip, and that wheel's back in the right place. The hood cap is in the car. I don't know the condition of it. It's got a little bit of an hole, so I might just get 4 new hood caps for it. Parcel shelf is there. Needs a good clean out. But yeah, I think it's going to turn out to be an alright car, an easy car, as long as there isn't any chassis leg damage, which obviously I'm not 100% convinced there isn't, but I'm not going to dwell on that until we pulled it apart, and we'll have a proper look then, instead of just trying to, you know, guess. I can't see any, so I'm going to presume there isn't for now, and we'll just find out when we pull it apart. But yeah, a nice cheap little car this was. I didn't watch the auction. I just put in a low bid before the auction started, and if I won it, I won it, and I did win it. So what's going on here? So it was ours. So that's going to be it for this video. We've done what we wanted to do. Nick was very helpful, thank you Nick. He's around for another reason, but you'll see that in another video. I don't think it'll shut properly. It won't open though, will it? Some air freshener or something. I don't know. But yeah, Nick's around for another reason, but that's on another video. He was just helping me out whilst we had a bit of spare time. So that's it. I will see you in the next one. As always, if you enjoy these videos, do please press the subscribe button, press the bell notification. Any comments, any questions, just to let you know, this hammer price for this car was $950. You can work out the fees yourself, but $950 for a 12 plate Fiesta with 51 on, that's a pretty decent hammer price really for these. I think so anyway. So yeah, we'll leave it for there for now. Thank you as always for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.